This is a 24 by 48 Mattison surface grinder that has been rebuilt in 2000 by ex-Mattison guys. The company is called Dial Industry. What they did at the time, all the ways surface had been checked, machined, and scraped as required to bring the machine back to standard accuracy. Spindle unit has been completely rebuilt. The front sleeve spindle bearings have been re-scraped, resized for proper fit. The rear angular contact ball bearings have been replaced with new bearings. All the electrical components in the panel box, starters, fuses, relays, etc. have been replaced with new components. The electrics have been upgraded and the machine has been rewired to meet NFPA 79 standards. An incremental downfeed had been added. This is kind of a readout system right there. It's made by Microwiz. And like I said, the machine was professionally repainted. Obviously it's in the plant right now, but it was hardly used since rebuilding. I'm going to go back to the ways. I just want to show the ways the way they are. You can see all the flaking. It is in excellent condition. And I'm going to try on this side. Full 440 volts. This is a coolant tank and pump that is right behind the machine. Magnetic control for the 24 by 48 Walker magnetic chuck. There is a 20-inch by 3-inch thick brand new wheel available in a box. Here's the wheel dresser. I'm going to go around the machine. Industry, those are the rebuilders, and those are ex-Mattison guys that put a team together and rebuilding Mattison grinders. Back up the machine, 16 horsepower motor. These are the ways on the other side as we move the table completely back there, and you can see the flaking again. The ways are in excellent condition. Okay.
Pump.
All right.
Or the wheel, it has to be on, or else the wheel will not turn on.
Okay.
This is the wheel.
So here's the spindle wheel going. It's very quiet.
This, there's a couple extra things on it which I've never used, but to zero it out, you hit reset and counter 1.
Got it.
And re-zero.
And that's for the incremental down?
Yes. Down or up.
Or up.
It'll go in plus, minus that way for down, and plus for up.
Okay. Okay, so if you could demonstrate the machine for me, that would be appreciated.
Okay. On this, jump rate switch for the wheel to jump out as it's going. Wheel's jumping out right now.
Wheel is going, table going right to left. You have the cross going at this point?
It is. It is coming out.
Right now it's coming up.
Yeah.
Yeah, as a matter of fact. Yeah, cross is going. And at the end of the course it's going to go down?
Once it hits,
okay.
It won't go down because I've used everything manually.
Okay.
Okay. but when it hits this, it'll start going back.
Got it.
We'll start to turn now.
Now it's going back.
These strips on here are adjustable. You can move them around. You'll trip the wheel back and forth.
It will come back. And here we have the wheel dresser. Overview.
There's a mold here for wheels.
Okay. The mold for dressing the wheel.
Hit the strip, now it's going back out again.
Okay. Yeah, go ahead. The head is going up. Okay. And this is to go bring it down. Okay. All right, an overview of the machine and we should be done. Can you show if the magnetic chuck works? That's the only thing I need to double check. Oh yeah.
Now the only thing with this is the light bulb does not come on. We switch the bulbs. This one works. This is the variable. Tried it in there.
Okay.
It wouldn't light, so we put it back. That's why I use that on the bulb.
Okay. This is to dress the wheel.
Dress the wheel, and here you can adjust how fast the wheel comes out for fine or coarse dress.
Okay, can you show it again?
Sure.
This is to dress the wheel.
And this is the adjustment dial.
Okay.